Okay, in this video, it's about the brand new tiny home design for the future. This tiny home is one of my prompt design or one of my prompt result from the AI platform, and I was think that this design is very impressful with a futuristic design, as we can look for the further step of this video. And it's not only about one alternative design or one design inspiration about the future tiny home design, about this brand new future tiny home design, but it also have several design of the tiny home that I will show you about this tiny home in this video, and just wait for this video. Okay, let's watch. Okay, this is about the first design of one of my prompting work from the AI platform. This is about the brand new future tiny home, and for the first design with dominance material with a timber material or wood material, and this tiny home has a large transparent element or large transparent door and window, as we can look from this first design. And I imagine and I've just figured out that this tiny home concept design, this type of this tiny home, it's not totally for the privacy, but it's for show unit, for the experimental for the future tiny home design. I mean, it's my opinion. Okay, if all of you have komentar of, or if all of you have some opinion, you can write or type to the commenter below. Okay, then for the second design ideas, it's very impressful, and it also has a large transparent element or large transparent entrance door and window, and as we can see from this outside, and it has a courtyard on the front. So it's not only about the indoor area or interior area of the tiny home, but also serve for the courtyard for communal activity. Okay, then it's not only flat um, door or flat surface of entrance element of this tiny home, but it also give us experience about the backside of this tiny home, that it has dome or curvy glazing. But I mean, it's not totally glass material for the back side of this tiny home, as we can look. But I mean, it so seems like a synthetic or some plastic material, so it would be flexible and safety. Uh, if the glass broke, are not too dangerous for the user. I mean, it's my opinion. Okay, then we can look for the fourth design. The fourth design, it's about the one of interior design of this tiny home. I mean, it's so spacious interior tiny home, in spacious interior futuristic tiny home, because of the a lot of elements of interior, such as a sofa, such as a cabinet, and we can look for the floor and the ceiling. It's so spacious enough, as we can look for from this interior, and it has a fireplace area on the corner maybe, and absolutely it has a large transparent window and door, so it can embrace the surrounding environment of this tiny house neighborhood environment. Okay, then I feel this tiny home design is very cool and very compact, iconic, simple, and it's just a little bit futuristic design of this tiny home with a courtyard along the length of the tiny home itself. I mean, then I think it's was have interest people. So I mean, the many people interest with many many people will interest with this design of the tiny home. I mean, because of the simplicity but futuristic for the exterior, especially for the right and left side of the curve with a composite material. I mean, so then we can look for the another design. it was very impressful. I mean, it's totally embrace the nature for the neighborhood. It's not only maximizing the vertical opening, but it also almost 360 degree of a panoramic view, because this tiny home is not only maximizing the opening, it's not only maximizing the envelopes opening for the vertical wall, but also maximizing the um, almost all of the envelopes from the wall until the roof, with dome glass or transparent glass with the dome material, I mean. Okay, then we can see again for the next design. I mean, it was creative idea, and it's look like a futuristic one with a combination between the timber material and with glazing, or maximizing the glazing material for the entrance and for almost the door and window opening right there. So we can sightseeing for the interior situation from the outside, as we can look from the outside right now. Then it has unique courtyard, so the courtyard could be a place for communal activity. And then I like for this almost black envelopes of this tiny home, so it was make me interested because of the color is very masculine. It's just my personal interest, because of I like the black vibes of the object, especially in this case. I see about this tiny home with the black color, dove color, with the combination with the transparent material and a little bit frame on this tiny home. So the tiny home is maximizing the exterior, or maximizing the openings, not only for the door window but also the skylight. Okay, then this is about the ninth design. It's very great and amazing. I mean, it's so a little bit spacious tiny home, and with curve from the wall until the roof. It's seems like cave, seems like a cave, but this is about the shiny cave, because it has uh, totally full, almost full, wearing the glass material or transparent material. It's not only on the door and window, but also for the skylight or the roof envelope of this tiny home. So it almost totally embrace the nature situation from the inside. So the people inside can enjoy the environment, the neighborhood. Okay, sincerely, I very like this design, and not only because of this tiny home, but I also like the environment. The environment, it seems like personal. It seems like beautiful, calm, and enjoyable. And maybe because of the weather, it's very not too clear, not too hot, but not rainy also. So I mean, it was great with a simple design, futuristic design, with a curvy on the corner on the almost of this tiny hoop design. Okay, thanks for watching, and just wait for my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.